Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Sara Eisen. Check out shares of Tesla dipping into negative territory Thursday after Wednesday's massive 10% gain. Tesla still tracking for its best week in 2 months. One of our next guests says the rally is set to electrify. Todd Gordon is with TradingAnalysis.com, and Chad Morganlander is with Washington Crossing Advisors. Todd, you're bullish?
I am, Sarah. Tesla looks great. To give you the context here, let's start way back in the weekly chart, going back to 2011. Obviously, we see Tesla likes to consolidate and then thrust higher. What we've seen here over the last couple of years is Tesla, big-time consolidation. We've broken above. We've now held support. A lot of bearish talk out there, really taking Elon Musk to task on the fundamentals of the company, but all we could do is retest that support level. So I am bullish. I have the stock right now, personally. I am long, and I'll show you the setup here in the daily chart as we zoom in on this section right here. So this is interesting, Sarah. As I said, as everyone was really coming down on Tesla on the fundamentals, you could see that all we did was a 37% decline, which was very much in line with the last decline, which was 34%. It's actually very symmetrical, very technical, and very expected. So I do have long positions here. We've begun to break out. The shorts are really getting squeezed. I believe there's 39 million shares outstanding on the short side with 125 million market total outstanding. So those shorts are really coming in. I think it's going to continue to press higher and go up and retest these old highs. Well, it is a battleground stock, Chad. Are you willing to disagree with Todd?
Well, I like Todd, but I don't like the stock.
Like you too, Chad.
That's the unfortunate. That's the unfortunate situation here. There's a lot of embedded expectations for revenue growth to continue in 2018 into 2019. What we like is to see free cash flow growth, though, and it doesn't seem like they'll hit free cash flow growth over the next 12 months. And one indicator that I really like to look at is the actual credit indicator. They do have $10 billion of bonds, of which are trading roughly about 400 over their the U.S. Treasury. When you go out to 2000, I believe they're the 2025s. That indicates to us that the credit investors are somewhat concerned about this type of issue. So overall, I would be avoiding this company at this point until you actually see real free cash flow.
Todd, you want to respond, including about that point on creditors?
Well, if what we're talking a few billion short in revenue on a market cap that's many multiples, much larger than that. As I said, I try to keep it simple on the technical side. I think to discount Elon Musk, I think, is a major mistake. I think the lack of revenues that we're talking about relative to the market cap, combined with the technicals, which anybody who has a fundamental opinion and the pockets to put that opinion to work, that is being expressed right here, what we technicians call the hard red edge of the chart. Price is a very good leading fundamental indicator because everybody who's got an opinion and money to put to work has done so. And I would say that fundamental bearishment, that massive sentiment should have been reflected in a break through this massive support level right here. So go ahead, sorry.
Right. So Todd may be right in the short run when it comes to the individual equity, but I would just caution investors when you're looking at the equity to also look at the credit, because the credit is almost like a carbon monoxide detector. Now, that doesn't mean that the credit of Tesla can't improve, but you really need to see free cash flow generation or it's not going to improve, and that's a good lead indicator of where the stock is going to go.
And important for a company that has to rely on the debt markets as well. Chad,
correct, Sarah.
Chad and Todd, thank you very much.
Thanks.
On
Thanks,
Tesla.
Sarah.
And thank you all for watching Trading Nation. I'm Sara Eisen. We'll see you next time.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.